What's up, guys? We did a box opening yesterday of 2020 Legacy. I'll put a link in the description to that video. And we had a monster hit of a
The iPod.
Under the Lights Tua Tagovailoa. Under the Lights, super short print, 4 out of 5. So definitely check out that video. It's a pretty cool reaction, pretty cool, unexpected hit. We were surprised. That's that. And then we got a Dare to Tear, Jerry Rice, 50 out of 50. We did not tear it yesterday, kind of contemplating whether to open it, but we're ready to tear it now. These are usually another mini card inside that are sometimes limited, emerald or something, so we are going to find out. Do it so carefully.
We are hoping for a rookie black. I'm just making this one up. Joe Burrow would be nice. 1-of-1, that would be nice. And a Joe Burrow 1-of-1 would be plenty good, in my opinion.
I see a Crimson Tide. I don't think it's under Tua though.
What if it is?
That's not a Tua. I think it's going to be a Jerry Jeudy. That's what I think it's going to be. That's what I think I saw.
It's definitely the same team though. And we are excited to see what we get in this. So nervous to see what it is. You put
Is it Jerry Jeudy? See what it looks like. Green emerald, man.
That's not numbered though.
Pretty sweet.
Not numbered.
That's pretty cool.
We'll
I don't think it's numbered on the back, but I think they are limited.
They are.
The fact that it's a insert.
Who knows? This Jerry Rice might have been better, but do you think we could still sell it if it's ripped?
We might be able to. We don't know what we're going to do yet. We'll see what happens.
Sell it for less guaranteed, though. Still, that's a cool card. Last time I pulled a mini, first time I pulled a mini, it was a Dan Marino out of 75. $15 card, really cool. And then the last one I pulled was, what was it again? Derrick
There we
Henry.
go. Check it out. It's pretty cool.
That is cool.
Check out our other video. Appreciate it.